And the next topic is toilet paper is useless. Come on. Like I think everybody should have an opinion on it. Come on. Do you feel toilet paper is useless? Come on. I want everyone. Don't get hidden in your nutshell. बाहर निकलो and just speak on it. Like just go ahead. It's a very interesting topic. Think about it. Scientifically डालो इस पे बात थोड़ा सा दिमाग. Toilet paper is useless. So is it that we Indians are weird, or is it like all the other countries, Western countries are weird? Like what really is it?
I think it's useless.
It is? Okay. Come on, everyone.
I think it's not useless.
Not useless. What's your
Actually,
argument?
it's convenient. It's convenient to use, but it's the useless one. Like you can do your thing without using it. But I think it's like you can also do the things you use while using the
If
toilet
you
paper
have an
without using it.
if you have an alternative, that doesn't make कि जो दूसरी चीज है वो useless हो गई.
See, उसके बहुत सारे नुकसान भी है. Paper, first of all, there are trees, which I mean, we are obviously
तो
falling
उसके
short of trees.
तो अब उसके अलावा आपका ऑप्शन क्या है?
There's water, okay, and now you're gonna say that water pollution भी बहुत है, लेकिन हम water को recycle भी तो कर
Obviously,
सकते हैं. Water
वो तो हम
recycle हो सकता है, but
पेपर भी रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं. वो तो बायोडिग्रेडेबल भी होता है, तो वो कोई खा के मरेगा भी नहीं.
water भी biodegradable होता है ऐसा तो.
वाटर कब बायोडिग्रेडेबल होता है? वाटर तो रीयूजेबल होता है, रिसाइकलेबल होता है. वो
Exactly,
डिग्रेडेबल
sorry.
थोड़ी होता है. So how does that make toilet paper a useless thing? It's obviously it's a useful thing. If you are in a washroom, there is no water in the tap and there is only toilet paper. So obviously toilet paper is useful. It's not useless.
Yeah, exactly. I'm on it with Ayush.
Yeah, with all due respect to all the trees, I completely agree that it's very useful. Firstly, as he said, पानी खत्म हो गया तो काम आएगा. We'll lose our Indianness in that. दूसरा तो even ladies would agree, public toilets, toilet paper is a very useful thing. सीट पे रखने के लिए. और तीसरे तो टॉयलेट में लोग कहते हैं कि आइडियाज आते हैं द बेस्ट. So you can note down the ideas on the toilet paper. It's a very weird one, but use निकालना है तो मतलब कॉलम भर रहे हो.
Okay. Okay. Others, come on, yeah. What do you think? Do you think toilet paper is useless? Is it like we Indians are weird, or is it like the Western countries are weird? Come on, I need some. Be bold enough to speak about this topic. Come on.
We Indians are definitely weird, but toilet paper is not useless.
Vishaka, what's the argument? Three people have gone against you.
Wait, let me think.
Nobody wants to support Vishaka. Poor girl, yeah, she's all alone. Nobody's supporting her. Somebody jump in. Come on, come on. Can a girl jump in to speak on it? I really want to see that. Can girls actually have the, like I don't want to stereotype it. Like I just hope it's not one of those things wherein guys can speak openly and girls can't. I mean, it's a very normal topic, right? हम इंडियन हैं हमें उससे मतलब नहीं. Mostly useless. Unmute yourself. Come on. Unmute yourself. I want you to give a logical explanation to everything.
वो तो मतलब तब होगा जब पानी नहीं आएगा. मतलब तो
Like,
होगा
see,
जब पानी नहीं आएगा.
आयुष said कि पानी नहीं आएगा, तो ऐसा तो टॉयलेट पेपर भी तो एक लिमिट के बाद खत्म होगा, तब तुम क्या करोगे? तुम भी तो मतलब उसको
नहीं,
रिप्लेस
क्यों
करके
खत्म
देखो.
होगा?
क्यों नहीं होगा? तुम
हाँ,
ऑब्वियसली
बट अगर
मार्केट से
पानी
खरीद के लाते हो.
अगर पानी है ही नहीं तो वो यूजलेस थोड़ी हो गया. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूजलेस थिंग, तो वो यूजलेस नहीं हुआ ना. देयर इज एन ऑल्टरनेटिव, बट वो यूजलेस थोड़ी है. यू हैव एन ऑल्टरनेटिव कि आप गाड़ी से जाओ कहीं पे, ट्रेन से. अगर आप ट्रेन से जा रहे हो, उसका मतलब ये थोड़ी कि गाड़ी यूजलेस हो गई.
Hello everyone. Can I say something?
Yes,
Now
Ivan.
see, toilet paper is not useless in some situations. Like being an Indian, I usually believe that water is the most important thing for personal hygiene. We cannot take toilet paper as the first option, obviously. So water is the most important thing in our life. From toilet to anywhere else, wherever you go, you need water in every situation. But if there is no water available, obviously, if toilet paper is available over there, I will choose that as the only option available. But if the both things are available, I will choose water, obviously. And now in foreign countries, they have different reasons to use toilet paper because it is so much cold over there. Water is obviously normally freezed over there inside the pipes. So the better option over there is toilet paper. But being in countries like India, the tropical countries and all, water is the best option for us. and we always agree that using water for personal hygiene for toilet purpose is the best option. But if there is no water, obviously we have to opt for toilet paper if it is available.
Okay.
Do
So
it.
Seemaji's argument is that water is better for personal hygiene. Toilet paper is not as, it's not as good as toilet paper for personal hygiene.
Yes, what I believe, obviously.
Do you guys agree to that? Disagree to that? What exactly is this? Does somebody want to come in support for Seemaji? Anyone?
Kshitij, just
I think
convince
it's
Seema.
just the
It's
habit.
like you're giving me that वो थोड़ा सा weird लगने लगता है sometimes.
Okay. So yeah. So okay. So who is going to like? Okay, I'm just going to go forward with that in simple. Like, who's going to support her? Who's going to go against her? Somebody has to go forward. Come on. In a
Sir,
GD, one
I
of the
think
basic
it's
things. Yeah, one of the important things in a
uh,
GD is that you need to either support a person or go against that. You need to use that or ask questions. Nobody asks any questions.
Kshitij,
GD को बात.
one
Yeah.
more thing. Now, as in GD normally, what I have said, it is like I have taken the middle way. Means I'm not
Yeah.
totally against. So can we opt that option? Means I did not go for or against. So should I go that way? Is
No.
it the correct way? No, no.
No. It's not a
I have
good
to
way.
choose. I have to choose.
So essentially, it's very good when you have to summarize. So, for example, in the end, when you summarize
Okay.
that, okay, there were 2 points. Well, I was in favor of this, but there were some important points there, and I feel that it was a very healthy discussion. So, if you're summarizing it, it shows leadership from your end that you've recognized every single opinion and you have made it even. But if you say, yeah, that is good, but that is also not good, so that shows indecisiveness. So GDs are
Okay.
very important for us. Like if you're being hired or something, it's a very interesting procedure. So the
Yes.
reason why, these things are asked is very specifically to understand. So if you say this at the end, that this made sense, that means doesn't make sense, etc., etc., that's a good point because that shows leadership. But if you don't take a stand, it shows that you cannot take a stand and you're indecisive. So you're just trying to play safe.
Okay. Okay. So if I don't believe that water is only important over toilet paper, I have a means I'm taking the middle stand that no, it depends on the situation. Then how
Yeah.
should I means put forward my point? Should I
You have
speak
to,
my thing
there
at
is
the
always one side. There's always one side. So even in a middle situation where you feel like it depends on the situation, you have to say, in most situations, it's like this. Therefore, I will support this. So you have to take that route.
so in that case I will support water obviously. I will
No,
support
you
water
have,
obviously.
yeah, I understand. But when you said something like toilet papers are good, but for alternative, because understand the topic. The topic is
Okay.
toilet paper are useless. Not that water is better than toilet paper. It's, yeah,
Okay.
that's where the wordings also play a very, very important role. When the topic is something like toilet paper are useless, this means you have to defend the fact that toilet paper should never exist. It's just not a resource at all.
Okay.
One of the things that Teeth and Ayush said were that, toilet papers are not useless. What if toilet paper gets, water is not useless? What if water gets over, then toilet paper comes in? With that logic, even
Hmm.
toilet paper can get
Yes.
over, or water,
So
both can get over, right?
I have a point to
Yeah,
highlight here. So I
yeah.
totally second Ayush on this particular topic. And coming back to the proposition where we are arguing if toilet paper is useful or not. So definitely it's super useful because someone just said this point, and I would just like to elaborate a bit on this. That in public restrooms, if there is no toilet paper, it becomes really unhygienic and messy for anyone to use a public restroom. So even if there's plenty of water and there's no toilet paper, it's pretty messy and unclean. So definitely toilet papers are a rescue at that point of time, even if there is plenty of water. So yeah, I definitely support this proposition that yeah, toilet papers are super useful.
Okay, all right. I think that's a well spoken topic. I'm going to switch. By the way, I saw Zisham like raising his hand here. In a GD, you don't raise hands, you just speak. Nobody gives you a chance otherwise. बोलना है तो बस unmute करो बोलो. It's like that. You have to go forward and do that. Zisham is again raising his hand. Okay.